Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. Okay, now we'll end our square knot bracelet. Untie the carrier lines and just check to see that you're about even. Then you might want to take it off and check if it fits on your wrist nicely. So that's good. Okay, now we're gonna end this bracelet with a bead. I picked a black bead to go with our the colors of the beads that we have here. And you want to trim off the end so that you have straight ends. And we're going to put all of these strings into this bead. So I've chosen a bead with a big hole. And it does help to rub a little beeswax on that. Makes it a little easier. And just pinch it together. And put that bead right on. Slide it all the way up to the end of your piece. And then we're just going to tie a simple knot around and through the loop. Make sure you have all of the strands. And slide the knot as nice as. Now if you end up with loose pieces like that, you can pull each strand separately until you find the loose one, or wiggle it around until you get all those pieces nice and tight, and really pull it nice and tightly. Okay, that looks good. And then cut off. Never cut it off so close because it's likely the knot to loosen eventually and come off. So always give it about 1/4 of an inch to hang off. It has a nice natural look. And then that will slip right through your loop, like that. And your bracelet is finished. That's our square knot bracelet.